guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the August Boxycharm box today, and I know it's September, but bear with me. We're gonna get on track eventually here, but yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. Hello, greetings to the August Boxycharm in September once again. I'm really lacking on these. I meant to film this honestly like last week when I received my box, but here we are. It is literally the 1st of September, and yeah, but I'm hoping that I get back on these videos soon and not just Boxycharm videos, because I'm sure it's kind of boring, but I want to film them consistently for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything that I got in this month's box. Yeah, hopefully I'll be back with some regular content very, very soon. So I got a lot of skincare in this box, which is kind of fun and different. So that's why I have absolutely no makeup on. So I'm going to start with this spray, and it's by the Clean Skin Club. It's the Clean Slate Clearing Mist. Basically has all these acids in there, including salicylic acid, which is really good for breakouts. So yeah, it's basically a lightweight formula that reduces acne and breakouts without drying the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serum. Well, I already applied serum, but it's pretty much soaked into my face anyways. So I washed and cleaned my face, and then I put on my serum and also my SPF. So this retails for $38. I took this out of the box and it was actually really cool. So it's like this beautiful blue. Oh, it matches my nails and my dress. Oh, look how cute that is. It's this beautiful blue bottle that's glass, and yeah, it's really pretty. Oh, and don't mind, well, first, don't mind the hair dye line. I just dyed my hair last night, and then don't mind that my neck and my whole body is much darker than the rest of my face because I just self-tanned last night. And I don't usually ever self-tan my face because it doesn't stay anyways, and I end up putting makeup on top of it, so don't judge. I can't really say how well this product works, but I really like the idea of it because I use an acne cream at night, but I don't use anything in the morning, so this might be really nice to kind of throw into my skincare routine. Like I said, I just love the packaging. It's very expensive looking, and yeah, I really like it. I'm gonna let that soak in, and I'm going to use this really cute product by the brand Truly. I actually really like this brand. I have tried a couple of their things, and I've never seen it in a Boxycharm before, but this is by the brand Truly Beauty, and it's the Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. Hemp, jojoba, vitamin E, hydrate and condition your lips while protecting them, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so this retails for $16. Like really cool because it's like a whipped formula inside of there. And it smells, well, I don't really smell anything, but it's just a really cute packaging and formula. Like, I just really like how this looks, and I always like something on my lips. I think it feels incredible. So apply this on my lips. Huh, that looks weird. I might have used way too much just now. Oh yeah, look at my lips. They look so nice and glossy right now. And I've been keeping my lips so hydrated with having lip injections. Like, I don't know, I just feel like they look so awesome with gloss on top of them. And they're definitely a lot less swollen than my last video, so now you can really see how they look on my lips. But yeah, this is really nice and buttery and very glossy. I will definitely keep using this. I will probably especially keep this by my bed because I have like a bunch of chapstick by my bed because I like to use that kind of stuff right before I go to sleep. But yeah, this is really, really nice. And like I said, I really love this brand Truly. So super cool that they added this into the box. Hopefully they put more of their brand stuff into the Boxycharms, because I know how, like I've seen on TikTok, like they have like these scrubs and stuff for you to shave, and like all this shave butter and exfoliating stuff. So that would be really cool if they put that in the box. Just saying. But yeah, cool product. The next product is by the brand Somerville, and it's the Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. I think I have tried this many times before, and I do really like this product. I've gotten so many samples from Sephora, so I've never had to buy the full thing from them. Basically, it revives dull, dry looking skin and removes dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. And this product retails actually for $70, which is very expensive because it's 1.7 ounces. So not a lot of product inside of here, but I do know that it's a really good brand. And yeah, oh yeah, the scent is all coming back to me. It's like a very spa-like smell. Smells delicious though. I love it. Like I said, I think I've tried this product many times before, but I could always go for more moisturizers because my skin is dry. It's like I'm just like at a spa right now from the smell. It smells amazing. I really like how they put all this skincare in the Boxycharm, because sometimes it's nice to switch up skincare and makeup and stuff like that. Like, I just like the variety that Boxycharm does, and you never know what you might get. Great product. I can honestly say that this is a very good product. I don't even have to use it consistently. I already know that it works really well. Oh my god, my tan is like really bad right there. It always gets so bad on my hands. Does that happen to anyone else? Just there, honestly. So that is a really great product in the box as well. The next two products are actually a mascara and lashes. So I'm going to do all my makeup, literally my whole face, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how well the mascara and also the lashes work. Okay, didn't expect to match literally everything, so monochromatic today, but I guess that was the vibe I was feeling once I dunk into my eyeshadow. But the next product is by the brand Rockins Cosmetics. I have never heard of this brand, but it's called the All Night Bender. So bend and extend with Rockins All Night Bender Extreme Lash Mascara. Retails for $29. I'm gonna check out like the very, very, very skinny applicator. I was expecting like a very thick one. So let's go ahead and try this out. Usually I apply a lash primer on my lashes before I put on mascara, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to just try it out without that, and we'll see how well it works. I'm very used to my Essence Lash Princess mascara, where it just immediately gives you like a full blast of volume and length on your lashes. So this is taking a while to build up. So I don't know if I would necessarily use this. I'd have to try it out with my Lash Princess, or not Lash Princess, my Essence Lash Primer, and see how well that works. Maybe this is good for the lower lash though. I'm starting to get really annoyed though with mascara running on the bottom of my lash line. And no matter what I do, if I powder it, if I don't powder it, it's all over my, what is that called? Underlid? I don't know. And it really drives me nuts. And then I have black spots on my face and it ruins my makeup. I can tell you right now, I don't really care for this mascara. It's a nice idea with the brush, kind of how it's built like that, like a scoop brush, but I'm not really seeing any buildup. So it's a good thing that they sent me eyelashes, because I would not want to leave my lashes so little like this. I don't know, I'm just so used to building them up pretty hard. Anyways, I don't think that's building up very much, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up these lashes here. So these lashes are by the brand Lavaa Beauty. I think that's how you say it. It's the Flirty Lash Set, so it includes best-selling 3D Mink Flirty Lash, a clear and latex-free brush-on eyelash adhesive, and a gold applicator. So I really like how this product was built. I love that there's eyelashes in there. I love that there's an applicator, and then there's glue. But yeah, $54 for this eyelash set. So I guess it better be really worth it. And it's really cool that the glue is not a latex glue, so I wonder if that works even better. But yeah, I love this packaging. This eyelash squeezer is a little bit different than what I'm used to. I'm used to my Tarte lash squeezer, but I really like that they put that in the package. It's really cute. really cute idea, especially when you suck at putting on lashes like me. I'm gonna measure out these lashes on my eyes and then cut them appropriately. I don't want to mess these up at all since they're expensive lashes. I would be very sad if I messed up really expensive lashes. And I'm gonna take the lash glue and put that on the lash. Another cool thing about that it's a set is that you, even if you don't really like the lashes, you can use the glue and the applicator, so you kind of get like a 3-in-1 product, so that's nice. I'm gonna let those lashes dry for about 30 seconds or so, and then I'm going to attempt to put them on my eyes. If I do it really sucky, I'm sorry, but the lashes are tragic for me. Okay, I feel like that went on pretty decently, unless I just can't see where it's gonna pop off at. OMG, I think I put the wrong lash on the wrong eye, but that doesn't really make sense because this one looks good. Oh my gosh. I'm so confused right now. This is why I suck at putting on eyelashes, because this always happens to me. Okay, we're just gonna make it work with putting possibly the wrong lashes on the wrong eyes. I guess it doesn't look as bad, but it was just really hard for absolutely no reason. Yeah, but overall, I like the lashes a lot, and it's not the lash's fault, it's mine. The glue is nice as well, and so is this little squeezer. I'm not used to like the shape of the eyelash applicator squeezer thingy, but I do like it. It gets you really close to the lash line, which is kind of nice. I just need this to like go down a little bit and it would be a good shape. But overall, I think it turned out really nice. So I just totaled up the total cost of this whole box, and it's $207 for everything in this box, which is a really, really good price for $25 a month. $207 of product for $25 a month. So yeah, awesome deal. And I'm pretty sure I liked everything in the box except for the mascara. Didn't really like the mascara, but that's okay. There's always got to be one fail out of the box, but everything else, love the skincare. And I love the lashes as well, even though they kind of look a little wonky. But yeah, guys, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe.